Even the best of a camera body is not that useful without a great lens. When you buy expensive lenses, it's imperative to have a nice case to protect them from harm. These cases will help you do just that. The black Onyx 100 lens case from Pearstone is at number 4. It is a great accessory for your medium-sized DSLR or film lens. With its rugged, weather-resistant 600D ballistic nylon exterior shell and padded, lint-free polyethylene interior, this case will guard your valuable optic from dust, dirt, and foul weather. There's a neat interior mesh accessory pocket large enough for a filter or a few extra batteries. The double zippered lid contains self-healing zippers with handy pull tabs that will work especially well when you're wearing gloves. The case is carried by either the included removable shoulder strap or the very useful double-touch fastened belt loops. Taking the third spot is the Lowepro lens case. Each one is purpose-built using thick one-piece foam padding to provide superior, all-over protection for fragile glass and mounts. The Lowepro's overlap zipper construction safeguards a lens from dust and moisture. The slip lock attachment tab with hook loop fasteners secures the case to a compatible bag, belt, or loop and expands your carrying capacity. Dual zippers provide easy access to the case, and when a lens is in use, you can store its cap in the convenient mesh pocket located inside the lid. In at number 2, the Altura Photo Thick. It comes with a super soft interior lining, 5mm extra thick padded bottom, and a water-resistant neoprene exterior with clips. The thick, pliable neoprene body protects your lens from moisture, sand, dust, dirt, and accidental impact. The soft faux fur lining for a unique style and protection against scratches. The strong drawstring pull tab keeps your lens from shifting out and makes accessing your gear fast and easy. The reinforced belt loop and snap and swivel clip provides a convenient and secure way to transport your gear outside of your case. And first on the list is the rugged lens case. It features a thick layer of high-density foam padding and an overlapped zipper, protecting your lens from accidental bumps. The 2 adjustable tension straps ensure a snug fit within the case, and your lens cap can be tucked into the interior elastic mesh pocket under the lid when not in use. To transport your gear, you can attach the lens case to your bag or belt by way of the touch fastening belt loop, take advantage of the adjustable shoulder strap, or carry by hand with the top grab handle. Its durable, water-resistant shell and ripstop nylon interior withstand constant transport and use. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to never miss another video from us in the future.